I wanted to show you what I bought from the hotel we're staying at.
What is it? Something from Disney. Not that.
Where is Disney?
I don't know.
You know where Disney is?
I don't want Disney. Did she go to Disney?
I don't know.
Mickey.
Where'd he come from?
Mickey Mouse.
Well, I tell you,
Do you know where Disney is?
you're going to need these. You're going to need
What's
these.
that say right there?
You're going to need these tomorrow. Daddy, you want to show them?
Disney. American.
Who's on there?
Mickey Mouse.
What's that say, Jake? Read that sign
What sign?
on the wall.
On the wall. What's that say?
Disney's Magical Express.
Where do you think that takes you?
To Disney.
You want to get on it and go to Disney World?
Yes! Yes! Which one's mine?
I don't know.
Either one. You guys get to choose.
You're the best, Daddy. What is this again?
Those are our bands. We got to have those on to get on the bus and everything.
What do you think?
I mean, Mommy, you are so funny.
You